Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy and powerful 5-second binary option strategy that anyone can use right after watching this video. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy or trick you learn either from me or from someone else, firstly test that strategy or trick properly in your demo account, and if you think it is working for you, then only uh, trade in your real account with real fund. And the strategy that I am going to show you in is in pocket option. So in case if you don't have an account on pocket option, then I have given a special link in the description of this YouTube video, and if you click on it and create your account on pocket option, then you will instantly get a 50% deposit bonus inside this platform. Okay, first time deposit bonus. Not only that much, furthermore you will also get other deposit bonuses when you keep on depositing in this platform. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to select a currency pair which you want to trade. Make sure you don't select any OTC pair. At the time of shooting this video, I am only able to select OTC because the real market are closed and I need to shoot this video ASAP. That's why I'm showing you in the OTC market, but you select the real market, okay, not this OTC market. And then firstly select the candles, Japanese candlestick, and select the time frame as 5. That means all of these candles are forming in 5 seconds. Okay, and second thing you need to do is get this MACD indicator. So we are going to use the MACD indicator for this simple strategy. So what you need to do is you just click on here, okay, and select this MACD, and that's fine. Your MACD indicator is at here. You don't need to make any changes in these variables. So now another thing you need to do is decide the amount that you want to invest. Whatever amount you want to invest, just select that much amount or type that much amount. Okay, and once that much is done, then make sure that this is not a flag at here. Okay, this is a clock, and then select as 15. So that means we are not going to make a trade on 5 seconds. Instead we are going to make a trade on 15-second time frame. Okay, our candlestick is going to be 5 seconds and our time frame would be 15 seconds. And you'll understand exactly why I'm telling this 15 seconds you need to select. Okay, so now this strategy is extremely simple. Okay, what you need to do is you need to find the top or bottom part in this MACD. Okay, so as you can see, this is a top part in this indicator that is showing a crossover. Okay, red is up, green is down. Now this is a signal where you can make a trade by clicking on lower at the real time. Whenever this crossover have happened, you could have make a trade by clicking on lower in 15-second time frame. Okay, and this is a 5-second candles. Similarly, here is the another signal that you have got where you can make a trade by clicking on lower, and most probably your trades, all of these trades are going to go right. Okay, similarly here you can see this is also up below. Okay, so if this crossover happened, then this was a proper signal of getting on higher. Okay, but one thing you need to understand at here, your trade would go wrong in this context. So that's why you need a money management strategy. Okay, so if you keep on seeing here, you can see there was a crossover, you can make a trade. Most probably your trade would go right, or sometime it may have gone wrong. Okay, as you can see here, it instantly went above. So here was also a signal where you can make a trade by clicking on lower and your trade would go right. Okay, so this kind of place you need to find, okay, in real time. Here you can see, so in real time here was a crossover. Now you could have taken trade at anywhere at this point and made a profit at here. But what if your trade goes wrong? In that case you need a money management strategy, and my money management strategy is extremely simple. I'll quickly explain you. So you invest a $10, you make a loss, you invest $30, you make a profit in $30, then you recover your previous $10 loss and a some profit. Okay, and then again you start to trade with $10. Okay, again you make profit with $10, you keep on making trade with $10. Okay, if you make a loss, then again invest $30 and try to make profit. If you again lose this $30 also, then invest $90. Okay, and if you lose this $90, if you make profit with $90, then you'll cover all previous losses and some profit. But if you made loss in this $90, then what happens is your total loss is going to be $130. Okay, so that means you lose $130 in that day. So now what you need to do is you need to keep on trading with 10, 30, 90 and try to target a profit of $260. That means if you are able to achieve the $260 profit, then what happens is your risk to reward is going to be 1:2. Okay, Now in that way, if you lose today $130, in another day if you lose $130, then what happens is and in third day if you make $260, then previous 2 days loss you will cover easily. In this way you can go into profit in short term also, in long run also. So always remember this money management strategy it's extremely simple. Invest $10, if you make loss $30, then again if you make loss of $30, invest $90, and if you make profit in $90, again go back to $10. Okay, so this money management strategy is extremely simple. So now here you can see the crossover have happened here, but it is consolidating at here. That means it is not showing this kind of crossover, so it is a false signal, so you should not make trade in this kind of place. So seems like in this currency pair we are going to get a signal of trading on higher, but let's see. So crossover have happened. Now let's click on higher. Let's wait for some time. So this consolidated, that means we made our loss. Now we need to use our money management strategy. So here you can see a crossover have happened, so we need to make a trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so let's wait for some time and see if we can make profit in this trade. No, so we are going to make another trade with the money management strategy, that is going to be $90. So here you can see a crossover have happened, so we are going to make a trade by investing our $90, and let's see what happens in this trade. So we made our $79.20 profit. That means we have covered our previous $40 loss and some profit. So in this way you can use this money management and money management and this strategy. As soon as this crossover happened, we try to make this trade. As you can see, after this crossover have happened, it is trying to fall down. That's why our trade have gone right. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video. And if you want to learn a more accurate strategy to trade binary options in a profitable way right from today, then you can check. I have something for you in the description of this YouTube video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.